Grazalema, a picturesque whitewashed village nestled in the Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park in southern Spain, is a treasure trove of natural beauty, history, and culture. Known for its stunning landscapes and traditional Andalusian charm, Grazalema is a popular destination for nature lovers and those seeking an authentic Spanish experience. Surrounded by limestone peaks, it offers a striking contrast between the white buildings of the village and the rugged mountains that frame it. The village of Grazalema boasts a rich history that dates back to Roman and Moorish times. Evidence of its past can be seen in the remnants of ancient fortifications and the narrow, winding streets that are characteristic of Moorish architecture. The village's strategic location made it a key defensive point during various historical periods, and its history is deeply woven into its cultural identity. Visitors can explore the echoes of this legacy through its preserved structures and local traditions. One of the standout attractions of Grazalema is the Church of Our Lady of the Aurora, a beautiful Baroque structure located in the heart of the village. Built in the 18th century, the church is an architectural gem with ornate decorations and a serene interior that reflects the village's deep religious roots. Another notable church is the Church of San Juan, an older structure with Gothic mudéjar elements that showcase the blending of Christian and Moorish influences in the region. Grazalema's location within the Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park makes it a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. The park is renowned for its dramatic karst landscapes, dense cork oak forests, and abundant wildlife. It is also home to the Panorama Range, one of the wettest areas in Spain, which supports a unique ecosystem. Hiking trails, such as the challenging route to El Torreon, the park's highest peak, offer breathtaking views and the chance to spot rare species like the Spanish ibex and griffon vultures. The village is famous for its traditional woolen blankets, known as mantas de Grazalema, which have been produced here for centuries. This craft, deeply rooted in the village's history, is a testament to Grazalema's resilience and ingenuity. Visitors can tour the local wool factory to learn about the production process and purchase these high-quality, handmade products as souvenirs. The blankets are both practical and beautiful, symbolizing the village's rich artisanal heritage. Grazalema is also celebrated for its gastronomy, which highlights local ingredients and traditional Andalusian flavors. Dishes such as stewed goat, venison and wine sauce, and hearty soups reflect the region's rural lifestyle. The village is also known for its artisanal cheeses, particularly those made from the milk of peyote goats, a local breed. Visitors can sample these delicacies in village restaurants or buy them directly from producers, offering a true taste of the region. The village hosts several festivals throughout the year that showcase its vibrant culture and traditions. One of the most famous is the Feria de Grazalema, held in August, which features music, dancing, and a lively atmosphere. The Romeria de San Isidro, a pilgrimage in honor of the patron saint of farmers, sees locals and visitors alike celebrating with food, music, and traditional dress. These events provide a window into the close-knit community and its enduring customs. For those seeking tranquility, Grazalema's quiet streets and cozy accommodations offer the perfect retreat. Many of the village's guest houses and rural hotels are restored historic buildings, providing modern comforts while retaining their old-world charm. The views from these lodgings often include rolling hills, terraced fields, and distant mountains, creating a peaceful and picturesque escape from the bustle of everyday life. Beyond its natural and cultural attractions, Grazalema offers a unique microclimate that contributes to its lush surroundings. Despite being located in Andalusia, one of Spain's driest regions, the area receives significant rainfall due to its geographical position. This makes the village and its surroundings unusually green and fertile, a feature that enhances its beauty and provides a stark contrast to the arid landscapes typical of southern Spain. Grazalema's location also makes it an excellent base for exploring the wider region. Nearby attractions include the dramatic Garganta Verde Gorge, with its stunning rock formations and nesting vultures, and the picturesque town of Ronda, famous for its historic bridge and bull ring. The White Village's route, Ruta de los Pueblos Blancos, also passes through Grazalema, allowing visitors to explore other charming villages that share a similar Andalusian aesthetic. With its breathtaking scenery, rich history, and welcoming community, Grazalema offers a unique blend of natural and cultural experiences. Whether hiking through its pristine landscapes, immersing oneself in its traditions, or simply enjoying the serene beauty of its surroundings, Grazalema captures the essence of Andalusian charm. It remains a destination that leaves an indelible impression on all who visit. Grazalema's exceptional location within the Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park makes it a UNESCO Biosphere Reserve, celebrated for its ecological significance. The park is home to diverse flora and fauna, including endemic plant species like the Spanish fir, locally known as pinchapo. This rare conifer thrives in the park's cool and moist microclimate, offering a unique environment that's ideal for both botanists and nature enthusiasts. Exploring these trails reveals hidden natural wonders at every turn. The intricate water systems of Grazalema, including natural springs and rivers, have historically supported agriculture and daily life in the village. The Guadalet River, which originates nearby, is a vital source of water and adds to the area's lush landscape. Traditional mills, some still visible today, were powered by these waters, showcasing the innovative spirit of the past. Walking along these waterways offers both a historical journey and a chance to enjoy the soothing sounds of nature. The village's architectural design, with its steep, narrow streets and whitewashed buildings, is not only picturesque but also functional. These features are designed to combat the region's occasional heavy rains, ensuring proper drainage while preserving the aesthetic charm of the Andalusian style. The white facades, often adorned with vibrant flowers, reflect sunlight and keep homes cool in summer. These details highlight the harmony between practical living and timeless beauty in Grazalema. Grazalema's cultural life is enriched by its dedication to preserving traditional music and dance. Flamenco performances in the village often feature local artists, offering an intimate glimpse into this passionate art form. The distinctive sounds of the guitar, combined with the heartfelt singing and rhythmic footwork of the dancers, reflect the soul of Andalusian culture. These performances, whether at festivals or intimate gatherings, connect visitors to the emotional depth of the region. The Sierra de Grazalema's karst landscape is a playground for adventurous cavers and spelunkers. Cueva del Gato, or Cat's Cave, is one of the most famous sites, featuring an underground river and stunning rock formations. Another highlight is Cueva de la Pileta, which boasts prehistoric cave paintings. These caves not only offer thrilling exploration opportunities but also serve as a window into the geological and human history of the area, attracting explorers and historians alike. The village of Grazalema is a hub for birdwatchers, thanks to its diverse avian population. The limestone cliffs and wooded valleys provide ideal nesting sites for birds of prey, including the majestic griffon vulture and golden eagle. The annual migration season brings additional species, making it a year-round destination for bird enthusiasts. Guided tours offer expert insights into the behaviors and habitats of these birds, enhancing the wildlife experience. A hidden gem of Grazalema is its network of ancient footpaths and mule trails, many of which date back centuries. These paths, used historically for trade and communication, connect Grazalema to neighboring villages in the wider Andalusian region. Today, they serve as hiking routes, allowing visitors to traverse the same paths once taken by traders and shepherds. The sense of history, combined with the stunning scenery, creates a deeply immersive experience. Grazalema's artisan culture extends beyond its woolen blankets to include ceramics, leatherwork, and woodcraft. Local artisans draw inspiration from the natural beauty and heritage of the region, creating unique items that blend tradition with contemporary design. Workshops and galleries in the village allow visitors to watch the creative process firsthand, offering an authentic connection to the craftsmanship that defines this community. The culinary traditions of Grazalema include desserts that highlight the region's Moorish legacy. Almond-based treats, such as pulver ones and alfajores, are staples during festive seasons and reflect centuries-old recipes. Honey from local beekeepers is another key ingredient, adding a distinct flavor to sweets and savory dishes alike. Sampling these delicacies is not just a culinary experience but also a journey through the rich cultural layers of Andalusia. One of Grazalema's lesser-known but equally enchanting attractions is its stargazing opportunities. The remote location and minimal light pollution create ideal conditions for observing the night sky. On clear nights, constellations, planets, and even the Milky Way are visible in stunning detail. Local guides and observatories occasionally organize stargazing events, offering telescopes and expert knowledge to enhance the celestial experience. This peaceful activity showcases another side of Grazalema's natural beauty,